Hey, Destis and Bride friends. Welcome back to the Desti Guide to Destination Weddings. I have been wanting to get this video to you guys, and I'm here. So fret not. We are here because I'm getting this question that is basically it's, hey, Omi, what is going on? I keep seeing in the news that Hyatt is buying up all the all-inclusive resorts, mainly in the Caribbean. And is my wedding in danger? Are these resorts still going to be good? Like, what is going on? Should I be panicking? Okay. Woo! Take a beat, bride friend. I got you. Let's break this down together. And spoiler alert, this actually doesn't have to be a scary thing. It could really be a good thing. So, yes, Hyatt has officially acquired a bunch of all inclusive resorts from popular brands. We're talking Secrets, Dreams, Breathless. What am I missing? And more in destinations like Mexico, Jamaica, Dominican Republic, the big three for all inclusives. And I get it. When you hear corporate takeover, your dusty senses start tingling and you're like, oh my God, what is going on? What is going on? You're planning the biggest day. Let's make that week of your life in a foreign country. And now this is going on. Or you're planning to, you've heard about these resorts and they've been so great. So you're like, oh, I can't wait. But now different ownership. And we don't want any surprises at this time unless they're diamond shaped. Am I right? Or am I right? I'm right. Before you start panicking about your wedding packages and all of the things, I want to bring in someone who has been in the industry and knows it in and out. Our bride friend and Desti Pro veteran at this point, Sarah Klein from Time for Travel, is not only a trusted travel agent, she's also a longtime supporter of the show. If you don't know anything about Sarah, I will drop. We've got a whole playlist because every year, every time, she's always here for us. So she's here yet again. Now I'm going to share my 2 cents later, but Sarah has an update that you must hear that really is all about reassurance and provides some details. Here is what she had to say.
Hello, Omi and DESTIbrides. So glad to be here live at Secrets Baby Beach in Aruba, which is the newest resort in the Hyatt Exclusive Collection. So I noticed a lot of questions lately about Hyatt and Secrets and Dreams and how this is all taking shape. So if you have a wedding and Secrets or Dreams, or even a few of the Hiltons or the Ziva Zolaras, all good. So Hyatt has now purchased some of the Playa resorts, which were a lot of the Ziva and Zolaras, and they will manage those brands. It is signed a 50-year management contract. So everything that's in place already is good to go. But anything new, they will all kind of be streamlined into a similar wedding package. So any questions, that's what you go to your true professional travel agent, Time for Travel. I'm actually on the board of HIC, Hyatt Exclusive Collection. So we get to get all the latest and greatest and all the news and everything that's going on. So these are all good changes and good updates. Now your resort has the backing of one of the best hotel brands in the world. So my job is to come down to these resorts. I know it stinks. And make sure they're okay. Make sure that you're going to love them and that everything's good. Talk to the wedding today. And actually, the last couple of days, like running around Aruba, seeing some of these new resorts. Yesterday, we did Renaissance, which is not part of Hyatt, but a resort that has private island for weddings. So we had to go see it. We're back here at Baby Beach, which is stunning. And I know it's dark. We've got lots of pictures to share and room tours and videos and great wedding locations. So if anyone has questions about these changes, which are the Playa resorts and the Hiltons that are now under Hyatt, so it's the Secrets, the Dreams, the Vivids, the Zivas, all of it. We'll reach out. Happy to answer any questions anytime. And that's what this whole DESTIbride community is about, is leaning on each other, talking to each other, helping each other, answering questions. So even if you're not booked with time for travel, we're still there to kind of assist and back you up. And of course, you've got the amazing Omi who will be there to support you. So if you're planning a destination wedding, this is what we do. We only just select what we love, what we know will be amazing for your event, and everything is vetted, and that's our job. So reach out with any questions. We're always here to help. And congratulations to all the future brides and grooms and couples and everybody getting married, because it's all about love. If you need us, time for travel, DESTIbrides. And thank you guys for watching, and catch up soon to see all the latest and greatest. Because next up is just outside of Frenchicana in an area called Nietzsche's. There are some new resorts. Be there in a few weeks checking out all the new, latest, greatest resorts for Hyatt, Citrus, Dreams, Hilton, and even a Club Med yoga retreat. So something totally different and out of the box. So stay tuned. More to come. Thanks, Sarah. Time for travel.
Now, for my two coconuts on this, y'all, Hyatt is a global brand. Let me say that again. Hyatt is a massive global brand. This isn't some pop-up resort operation. They're bringing stability, polished systems, and some much-needed stability to the destination wedding industry. At least that's my bright side on this. So what does that mean? More streamlined processes, better communication, and more training and oversight for destination wedding departments. And here's the best part. This opens doors for you. Literally. Now you're not just looking at Mexico, Jamaica, or the DR. Hyatt has the ability to elevate properties in other destination weddings too. Think St. Lucia, Costa Rica, and even new islands and countries that weren't even on your radar before. So yes, change can feel scary, but in this case, it's more like a resort upgrade with extra champagne and a room with a view. So stick with trusted vendors, lean into your travel pro like Sarah, and know that big brands investing in destination weddings is a big sign of great things to come. That means we're being seen, heard, and prioritized. And I love that for us. So if you have any questions or concerns about your specific resort or any specific resorts, drop those in the comments. I will also provide a list of the current Hyatt inclusive, what is it called? World of Hyatt inclusive. Yeah. I'm going to drop a list of all of the resorts. I'll drop it in the description of the YouTube video. I'll try to do it on the podcast too, but I'll also probably just create a blog post on Destiland for you guys to be able to see, because it's crazy what's happening right now, but it's crazy in a good way. So don't forget to like, share, and follow for Desti updates, because we're planning smarter, not harder over here. Okay? And until next time, I am wishing you all the best week of your life and reminding you to have the time of your life, planning the best days of your life. Bye.